don't know if you can tell, but I'm excited. Welcome to a new video. My name is Amanda Freda. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we are traveling. Yes, that's why I'm excited. We are traveling. It's my first time traveling out of Shanghai. I've been here for 7 months now, and it's my first time traveling. We are going to Wei-Hai, and I'm traveling by train. It's my first time traveling by train, and I'm excited. I'm excited, and I'm going to share this journey with my cyber family. So that's what we're doing in this video. I'm at a train station. I've already checked in. This is the Shanghai West Railway Station. So yes, we are traveling to Suzhou. There we have a transit, and then we're going to Wei-Hai. Okay, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. It's giving airport vibe. I still have to wait like an hour and 30 minutes. So yes, I'll see y'all when I'm boarding. It's boarding time. Yes. Ah. I think I'm too excited, but it was not my time yet. It's not my time yet. I feel like I came here too early. I was here around 11:30 and I'm boarding at 1:45. So I've been waiting for a while now, but it's better to be early than to be late. So it's almost 1. Okay. It's finally boarding time. So foreigners have to show their passport when we're checking in. The Chinese, they just have to scan their card. I don't know what card it is, but foreigners have to check in with their passport. If you've never traveled by train before, just like me, this is what it looks like. This is what a train station looks like. If you've never traveled by train before, like me, this is what it looks like. It's my first time experiencing this. I've never traveled by train before. I only saw it in movies. So yes, let's wait. Let's hop in. My seat number is It took me a while to find my seat, but I'm finally here. I upgraded my ticket to first class, so I'm at a first class section. This is what the restroom looks like. Guys, I was panicking because I couldn't see my train info on the scherm. Anyhow, but I'm waiting for the train. I'll board in 10 minutes, and then we're heading from Suzhou to Wei-Hai. I'm excited. I made a mistake when I was booking my ticket. I upgraded my 20-minute ride ticket to Suzhou for 65 yuan. So it took me like 10 minutes to find my seat. And I didn't like enjoy the first class experience, but it's okay. Next time I know for the next time when I'm booking that I should check, like make sure everything is okay. So that's it now. I'll make sure I have to charge this phone. The second class section experience was different. It was more packed and I had to keep my things on my laps because there was no space for me to put them.
尤其呢，我们家里面或者有抽烟的、喝酒的，口气特别重的话，你可以给他带上一颗试一试。最多5、6天的时候，这口腔里面黄色米粒大小东西自己就出来了。
It's now 5 and I still have like 3 hours to go. I don't know why I'm this shy, but I'm starving. I want to get snacks, but I'm so shy. I don't want to walk around or I even have to pee. Y'all pray for me. I really enjoyed it, you guys, and traveling by train just feels like traveling by air. The difference is we're underground and they're not that strict as when you're flying. So yes, I really enjoyed the view and I would really definitely suggest this. Just make sure you have something to entertain you, a book or something. It's now 6 and I'm so shy. Like I was sitting in my place for the whole time. So I've decided to get up, go for a walk, look for something to eat, get snacks. But then I came to the toilet and this is how the toilet looks like. So yeah, I'll just wash my hands and leave.
All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you.
I wanted to show y'all the restaurant, but you know I'm a shy babe. And I was like, can I take a video? And they were like, no video. So I just got water for 10 yuan. And we have like almost 2 hours to go, so wish me good luck. 2 minutes before 9, guys. I'm in Wei-Hai finally. I'm exhausted, I'm tired. I'll talk to you later.
I wanna go to Cali way, close to your love again.